Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Trini, and in today's video I will be showing you my November subscription box from Yes Oh Yes. If you're all interested to know what's in my subscription box for this month of November, just keep on watching. If you're not familiar of Yes Oh Yes, this is a subscription box where you will be able to receive 6 full-size products or 6 full-size beauty products from this company for only $14 a month. You can go ahead and check out my description box if you want to know more about this company or this subscription. It's actually in the bag. I thought it will be in the box, but that's fine, and I think this is pretty secured and it's really sealed, so that's what I love. And alright guys, so let me go ahead and show you what's in my Yes Oh Yes bag. I did receive 5 products for this month of November, and let me go ahead and show you the products that I got from this bag. Alright, so the first product that I got, this is the liquid highlighter from Beauty Creations. Retails for $17. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Let's see the pigmentation, and this is a great highlighter for this season, most especially for the upcoming events like Thanksgiving, Christmas. Oh, it looks so lovely, guys. Yeah, so the next product that I got, Brow Lift Highlighting Pencil. I have never used a highlighting pencil before, and I will be very interested to give this a try. And this retails for $22, you guys, so pretty awesome. Probably I just need to use this right on top of my brow, maybe. Okay, let me move on to the next thing that I got. Deluxe Badger Oval Shadow Brush. Kind of big for my eyeshadow. The next thing that I got from this box is Mirabella highlighter, and it retails for $42, you guys. Wow. So, oh my god, it's impressive, right? Yes Oh Yes is pretty impressive for me. I only paid like less than $20 for these things that worth more than like $100. I just love highlighters right now, guys, and I just cannot wait to give it a try. Let me go ahead and swatch it here. I love the pigmentation and it looks so pretty. Look guys, can you see it? Wow. Ooh, I love it. This is what I love about highlighters. And the last thing, guys, that I got from this box is a lip contour kit palette. I've never had a lip contour palette before, and I honestly didn't know how to contour my lip. Recently, I've just been using lip tint or matte lipsticks, but I never contour my lip. I don't know how to, and I am not sure if I have enough time to do it. But this is so pretty, guys. I love the packaging. This retails for $45, you guys. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you what's inside. There's like an instruction here, you guys, so that will be pretty easy for me to figure how to use this lip contour. Wow, it looks amazing. It looks like a high-end product right here, and I love the shades. I think these shades are really perfect for this season, for fall and winter season. They're kind of dark, and I would definitely love to copy this instruction right here. Yeah, there's like an instruction how to do it, and there's like a contour. So this is very interesting, you guys. I would love to give this a try, and maybe if I can do it perfectly already, I can make like a video tutorial, possibly, or probably a video tutorial, but I couldn't promise because I am just not good at doing it or doing makeup. I need like a lot of practice to do like a tutorial. I will definitely go over these instructions, and hopefully I will be able to perfect my lip contour. Anyways, guys, I love the box for this month of November, and so far I love all the products that I got from Yes Oh Yes for only $14. The retail value of all the products that I showed y'all today, guys, is $145. Wow, and I only paid $14 for it. Oh my god, guys, that's pretty awesome. If you want to know more about these subscriptions, you can go ahead and check on my description box. Yes, oh yes! Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, give me some thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you on my next one. Thank you so much, guys.